Welcome everyone, here's how you turn on LED notification light in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So the first step is I want you to open up the settings app. Then from here, you're going to find notifications. Then from here, you're going to see brief pop-up settings. Tap on this one. You're then going to see edge lighting style. So from here, it's going to show the default notification. And you can change the edge lighting style to whatever you would like. So you will have a preview for each one. You can also customize the color as well, and you also have the advanced options here to play with as well. So I like red, so I'm going to select that one. Let's look at effects. Maybe I'll use the eclipse here. Yeah, I think that's pretty darn cool. Let's tap on done, and now we're good to go. So you also may be wondering, how on earth will the flash turn on? So maybe you also want the flash to activate when you are getting a notification. So in order to do that too, go back until you're brought to the home page's settings. You're going to find accessibility. You're then going to find right here advanced settings. Then find flash notification, camera flash notification, turn this one on, and you can also view a preview of how that looks as well. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.